Do you know how to get the password to a Wi-Fi? Stay with me in this video. I'm going to teach you how to recover password for the Wi-Fi you've connected to in your system. Have you ever connected to a Wi-Fi and somewhere along the line you forgot the password, and of course you desperately need to use this Wi-Fi to do something online, but then you can't remember this password? I'm going to teach you in this video how to recover this password.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Please don't say I taught you. Alright, so let's move to the system now. So on your laptop now, go to the search bar and type CMD, or you can type command prompt if you want. Type CMD and that's it. Click on it and you will have this interface. Or if you're someone like me that loves shortcuts, just press your Windows plus your arrow button, then you have this run window. Type your CMD and also okay. You'll still have the same window. Okay, now let's assume you've forgotten the exact name of the Wi-Fi and you can't really remember the name.
What have I done with myself since the morning? How could you make such a mistake?
So I'm going to show you first of all how to see all the Wi-Fi that you've recently connected to in your laptop.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
All right, so on your laptop, on this command prompt now, you type netsh show profiles. Now for this my laptop here, I have connected to this 4 Wi-Fi as you can see on my laptop. I've recently connected to this password now, this Wi-Fi rather. So now that you've gotten the name of the Wi-Fi connected to this laptop, let me assume I want to get the password for the Henshaw. The Henshaw is my phone's Wi-Fi, Prezi is my wife's Wi-Fi, MTN 4G is my router, and the other one I can't really remember how I got this. So let's recover the password for the Henshaw. So you go on your laptop and type on the command prompt and type netsh wlan show profile. Because I know the exact name, so I'm going to say show profile name equals to, and because it's a specific name, you're going to include it on as a string. That means using the quotation mark. You type the name the Henshaw. All right, be careful not to make mistake. All right, be careful not to misspell the Wi-Fi's name. Let me assume I write something else here. Instead of W, I'm writing T. Okay, I'm going to get no result. There will be no result for this. Let's just finish. So key equals clear. Put this sign. Key contents. That the key content here, is the password. Please make sure to use the exact capital letter. Don't miss the capital letter. Don't worry, I'm going to leave this code, this line of code there in my description, so you can copy directly and copy exactly what I have here, so you don't end up making a mistake with the capital letters and the small letters. I hope that's fine. So let's continue. So if I enter this now, I'll get no result.
Oh my God!
Because I misspelled something. So be careful when typing this thing so you don't make mistake. So I'm just going to copy from here. Let's just type everything. Profile name. You can just go back here and copy if you don't want to waste the time. You can just copy the name so don't make mistake. Okay, I like saving my time, so just copy this again and paste. All right, so let's see. Voila! So
clapper for Jesus.
So for this my phone's Wi-Fi, the password is this. Hey, avoid me, don't come close to me. All right, so that's it for recovering a password. Now let's recover my wife's. Yes, I need to recover this. She has been hiding it recently. So let's do the same thing. This time I'm just going to copy everything. Or let's type again. Let's just type netsh show profile name. Profile name here this time is Prezi. Key clear. Put the sign. Find key content. And let's reveal this lady's password. Yeah. And I got the password. So now she got nothing to hide again. So babe, I got the password. All right, ladies, so this is how to recover a password you recently lost. So in case you're just visiting our channel for the first time, I would like you to show some love by hitting the subscribe button, and please love, like, share this video so others can get this tip. Go here and conquer your world. No, hold up. Should I say drink water and mind your business? See you in this video. Cheers.